Say good morning, Daddy. No.
It's evening.
It's, oh, say good evening, Daddy.
Busy. Don't disturb the driver. Let that be a message.
Yeah. We're going to a national park / performing arts place. It's the same place, it's just the performing arts place. They have concession stands. So my dad is telling me that I have to go and pick up a job application. Eep.
I thought you'd want to pick up a job application. I don't want to be here telling you you have to.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to. It includes work. It's so hot and stuffy back in the concessions place, and it's horrible. Oh. I know I'm fully aware you guys can't see me. I am sorry. It is much lighter outside than this camera perceives it to be, so I blame the camera. This is actually the same place, if you remember, that I saw the turkey vultures at, that my mom and I were here for. So that's kind of cool. It's like less than 5 minutes away from our house, so it's a nice place to be at. The performing arts here is amazing, so it would be fun because it's only in the summer, so it'd be fun for me to be able to hear all of it. I wouldn't be able to see any of it, but to hear all these shows, that would be cool, but it's work. Well, we just got back from, apparently it was a job fair. I thought we were just picking up an application, but there was a job fair. And we talked to people. Apparently some people actually live in our backyard, not literally, not like a mole or a rodent. How do I open this with, okay, sorry, I had hands full. But we talked to them and we got applications and forms and stuff, and it's cool. It's cool. I still don't want to work. That's a lot of work. We're at Michael's now because I need stuff for my science project. Actually, AKA, I need a board for my science project, but I don't know what color to get. I would ask you guys to help me, but that's kind of useless because you won't see this for a while. I might just get generic green just so anything can work with it. I don't know why. It's just what's in my brain right now. I'm walking around. There is a box. Ooh, colors. This is Christmas. This is Valentine's Day. Why is it That's not for like a whole other month.
They give me, they put Christmas out at Halloween.
Yeah, but it's Christmas. Valentine's Day is stupid.
Well, it's only a month away.
Not to offend anybody who likes Valentine's Day, I just can't stand it. Boom, gimme, 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 boom, gimme, 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 gimme that, gimme that, gimme that food. Ooh, gimme, 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 ooh, gimme, 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 gimme that, gimme that, gimme that food. Quesadilla. I feel like I have nothing more important to say, so I'm just gonna say goodnight. Unless I have something else to say later. I doubt it though. Say hi to the fluffy blankie. Oh my gosh. It's good because it doesn't make my hair staticky, which is crazy. Right now it's wet and damp and crazy and wavy, and it's just, you guys are probably really disappointed in my appearance right now, but I don't care because this is so soft and it doesn't make my hair stick to my face, and I love that. Good night.
You just watched a vlog that Kira made. You followed her, but not in the creepy way. Maybe she stayed at home or went to school or went somewhere else and did something really cool. Cause she's crazy and she's silly and has lots of weird friends. You'll hear this song after every vlog ends. Cause you just watched a vlog that Kira made. You